Is it going?
Yes. Go on.
Hey everybody. Today we got my my buddy Jax's
Jackson's?
my buddy Jax. My buddy Jax, I guess purple, purple Brass Eagle Striker, Evolution 87 VMAX 89 69 420 loader, with incredibly fast fire rate of up to 6,000 balls per second. We got my our 2-inch carbon fiber cock barrel. Let's fucking go. Couple breaks, break. It's shooting pretty consistent around 2,000 to 3,000 feet per second.
Get out of the barrel.
That's
We have
nice
a slight jam, slide another 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 jam. I ripped ass, slide another jam. Hold on, might be something with the barrel. Nope, the barrel's glue lock tight shut.
Did you really glue
Yeah,
lock?
no, here.
Put the safety on. I don't know what. Here, film.
Did you really?
Here. 1, 2, 3. Couple of them, and then hold
Here,
on.
just blow those out.
Oh yeah, let me just. There we go. Let's continue. Oh damn it! Damn it!
Out of air.
Damn it! Damn it! It's not even gonna shoot. Watch.
You just shot that.
Slight jam. Slight jam.
Do we need to clean
Slide
the
jam.
barrel? Clean the barrel.
Few breaks. Here, look at the barrel real quick.
You can't see.
Look at the barrel.
It's too dark.
Few jams. Few jams. Few jams. Now it's been the Brass Eagle cock raider for you, with incredibly fast fire rate, almost no, broke a little bit of balls there. Be in mind that was bad paint. It was Jet Sports 5-star. It was pretty shitty paint.
Are you serious? You're
shut up.
You're stupid. Let's go look at the paint inside.
Okay,
Let's
it's
actually see
Inferno. It's Inferno.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
It's Inferno with my Evolution 49 420 cock and ball hopper with incredibly fast fire of the 200,000 balls per second. My FPS gun shoots super fast, super smooth, no brakes. It's not hard to cock with. It's not hard to snap with.